Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, there's going to be swearing, smoking, and drinking on here. If you don't like those things, leave now because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. And do we not? We have a great show for you today. All right, brothers. Look. All right. So, yes, Ripple lovers. Here I come. But this time it's good. It's good this time. Don't worry, Ripple lovers. I know I'm a little mean to you guys sometimes. You know, it's always I want you to make money. You know, I love you. And so that's why I got to tell you this. XRP are permanently lost on Coinbase. Do not put your XRPs on Coinbase. I'm going to read it to you. And Coinbase is telling XRP holders that your XRPs are permanently lost. Don't put them over there. Don't put them over there, okay? We'll get into it. And then, bang, then we get to the money talk. So that's the sad talk. We got to talk about some sad shit at first. But then we're going to get in some money talk. Bang! Yes. Fidelity, Bitcoin custody is live. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. And here come the institutions. Yes, brothers. Here come the institutions. Bang! Look. Oh, hold up. And then we have a new country coming online. Not yet, so it's not quite yet. So it's a little premature, but the fact that they wrote their laws. So they wrote the laws. Now all these politicians got to do is go vote on them. So Israel, bang, the big tech hub of the Middle East. They are going to come online with some crypto regs, and we're going to read about it. The rule book committee, the committee gave their rule book. All right, and we're going to read about it. All right, brother. So let's start how we start. Let's do how we do with a little bit of bang. Yes. And then we go bang. Yes. And then we refresh. Bang. What do we got? A computer that's not refreshing very fast is what we've got, apparently. All right. There we go. Yes. I wonder what that was about. All right. So, all right. Hold on. Let's look. Let's take a peek. All right. Usual suspects, as I always say, as I always call them. Bang, bang. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, Tether, Stellar, and Tron. All right. Let's look at the market moves of the day. Obviously, with this ranging, I mean, I don't even really have to look. Single digits up to single digits down. 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 And, oh, who's that? Engine Coin. Oh, that's going to be in the top 10. Oh, Aurora, look at you too. Okay. Well, mostly single digits up to single digits down, brothers. Bang! Apparently some motherfuckers made some loot today, though. Let's check them out. Let's look. Let's go through it like we do, brothers. Let's see. Let's start off first. Who's on sale? Bang! All right. Not much of a sale. There's that ABB coin. ABBC coin. Alibaba coin. Top 10 loser of the day. ABBC coin, Quant, Binance coin, Nexo Theta, Odom, MOAC, Power Ledger, Komodo, and Bitcoin Cash. Now, let's look who made money. Bang! There it is. Look at those numbers. All right. Oh, speaking of numbers, look, what did I tell you guys? You know what? Get those large caps. Litecoin up over 100% since December. Yes, that's when we've been buying them. Well, I mean, if you did what I said. Look. So, look. Top 10 of the day. Oh, look at those numbers, too. 63, 55, 54. Solid growth. All right. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Engine Coin, Crypto.com Chain, Aurora, Digitex Futures, Project Pi, Icon, Repo, Basic Attention, Chainlink, and Decentraland. All right, let's look at the total market cap of the day. I mean, total market. Yeah, it is total market cap. 133 billion. All right, not really going anywhere. And the total volume of the day, 31 billion. So still just hanging around here in the low 30s. All right, but the fact that we're hanging around here, that's what's nice. That's what you have to take from these numbers. Look. We've been under 30 for a minute. Oh, sorry, over 30 right here. Wow, 30 and over. Wow. just for a little time here. So that's nice to see. It's nice to see it didn't go from, remember, it went from 24 to that bang, that 34 the other day. It's good to see it's not back down to 24, right? All right, brothers, let's go. All right, Ripple lovers, check this out. Bang! XRP community calls out Coinbase over misleading claim that XRP is permanently lost. I mean, I don't know what's misleading about it. Coinbase says they can't get you your money, motherfucker. There's nothing misleading about it. Apparently, XRP believers, hodlers, lovers, they're not trying to hear that from Coinbase. And you know how, holy, you know how violent these Coinbase army, Ripple army people are. Shit, Coinbase must be going through hell. Holy, their phones must be ringing off the hook. Actually, I don't think you can call them. I think you have to just email them. What they've probably done is they have some algorithm. If it says XRP in anywhere in the email, they're just like, all right, delete. But seriously though, so I bring this up because, XRP army lovers, you know I'm not too much of a fan with your behavior. I mean, there's nothing wrong with wanting your coin to be successful, of course. I mean, that's what the fuck we're all invested in this shit for. We want all of them, right? That's just your behavior. You know what I mean? Someone points out a little something, you're all like, yeah, you motherfucker, you killer. All right, you guys are a little angry. You're an angry bunch. Oh, see, not like the Tron lovers. I'm going to talk about that anti. Yes, Tron hodlers. We're going to do that at shoutouts and airdrops. But look, so you got to cheer up a little, XRP hodlers. I'm not a fan of you guys, but, yeah, can't let you get ripped off by these motherfuckers, you know? I don't take kindly to big corporations fucking with the working man. I know you put your life savings in this. Yes, I know you're working hard, 9 to 5 every day. You put your money in here, and you're expecting some returns on investment, as you should be. So I don't take kindly. Even Ripple lovers, even for Ripple lovers, I do not take kindly to big corporations losing working people's money. No, sir. No, sir. Shmari does not take kindly to that. All right, Ripple lovers, let's go. Let me show you your shit. So listen. Listen fucking carefully. The XRP community rejoiced when the token was finally listed on Coinbase Exchange. Oh, yeah, there was dancing in the streets. Ripple lovers were all over the internet. We're on Coinbase. Yeah, so what? Anyways, however, their happiness was short-lived as the users were told by the exchange that their XRP was, bang, this is not right. This is not right. Why are you allowing the XRPs to come on your shit if it's getting permanently lost? Look, Coinbase. I don't take kindly to that. Nope, not even for Ripple lovers. I don't take kindly to that behavior. Once the third large, I told you about when I first started trading Forex. Yeah, that was in the beginning, right? Back in flipping 1999, 2000. Yeah, that's when the internet was a real Wild West. Yeah, and these Forex exchanges, you put 5 G's in, make some trades, try to take out some money, they just straight up wouldn't give it to you. Yeah, they would just take your money, man. So many exchanges in Greece and Malta. A lot of Americans, because they were giving us good leverage over there in Greece and Malta. So a lot of American brothers, they opened Greece Forex trading accounts. Straight stolen. They got their money straight jacked. I was lucky. I never fell into any of that. No one's ever stolen my money, but that's how the Wild West was for the Forex world. So what I'm saying, Ripple lovers, is I feel you. I feel this one, son. And I don't take kindly to that behavior at all. So once the third largest cryptocurrency was added to their exchange, and when the users tried sending... All right, so let me slow down. I want you Ripple lovers. Yes, Ripple Army. I'm going to unleash... Oh, the Ripple Army, they're such loud, mean motherfuckers. Here you go, guys. I'm going to show you who to get mean with today. Yes, you go talk to these sons of bitches. Look. Once the third largest cryptocurrency was added to their exchange, and when the users tried sending XRP to another user through Coinbase, their XRP was reported to be lost. Look, that's a bunch of bullshit right there. There was an error on the Toast wallet end, as they did not provide users with the destination tag input option, resulting in the loss of the user's XRP. Are you fucking kidding me? This loss was due to Coinbase's inability to recover the funds, which they branded, holy, I can't even believe this shit right here. You know what, Coinbase? They get, this past month, the past few weeks, they're getting a little annoying right here. They're hiring some hackers. I mean, not that I give a fuck about that, but then they said, I didn't read this to you guys, but Coinbase, one of the companies, Coinbase, this company is accused of selling Coinbase consumer information. That was last week. I mean, they deny it, though. They deny it. I can't remember the name of the company. It's a famous one, too. If I said the name, you'd remember, but I don't remember the name right now. And now you're losing people's fucking money, Coinbase. Look. 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 The tag generally helped exchanges. All right, so this tag thing, right? Yeah. The tag generally helped exchanges make sure that the funds went to the right user, and in this case, they emailed the customer that their funds were lost. The email reads, because you used an incorrect destination tag with your XRP transaction, Coinbase is not able to recover your cryptocurrency as it is, fuck off, permanently lost. You can't find that shit? Look. You see this tag thing? Remember this? Hold on. There is an error in the Toast's wallet, and they were supposed to provide users with the destination tag input option, and they didn't give it. So, give me my money back then, fuckstick. Hold on. Ripple lovers, go get them. Oh, Coinbase is feeling the burn. Not the burn. They're feeling the pain of the Ripple lovers today, I tell you that. Now, Ripple lovers, listen to this part, and I want you to listen good. It is important for a user to insert the correct number when sending XRP to exchanges. However, due to human error, the number entered by a user can be wrong, and most exchanges manually allocate the funds to the customer. However, Coinbase did not deem it necessary to undertake the procedure. They didn't deem it necessarily to manually allocate the funds. The development caused an uproar in the community, and the XR community is calling out Coinbase for not being prompt in fixing the problem. Fucking right. Wind, the XRP tip bot developer and a prominent member of the XRP community, wrote to Coinbase, now I'm getting frustrated. At Coinbase, this is simply not true. Coinbase is not able to recover. Is permanently lost. The XRP most definitely, he doesn't want to believe it. The XRP most definitely isn't lost. It's in your hot wallet. And if you're not able to recover, you simply refuse to. This is misleading. I mean, so basically this fucker, he just doesn't believe that shit. He doesn't believe it, that the money is lost. Oh, Ripple lovers. So there's an ongoing debate in the crypto community about the issue of Coinbase's unwillingness to fix it. What? What do you mean they're unwilling? They have to. Matt Hamilton noted that according to his knowledge, this is a user experience or UX issue in the wallet being used that caused the user to mistakenly omit the tag. However, he was contradicted by Wind himself, as he explained that it was not a technical issue and that such a problem had occurred with Tipbot as well. Oh. Wind said, what did he say? So he says, as this happens with the Tipbot every now and then as well, people enter the tag, but a wrong, non-existing one. Shit happens. That shouldn't result in loss of funds. Exactly. If someone puts in the wrong thing, then just reverse the transaction and say, sorry, you put in the wrong thing or something. What is it? Neo, right? I remember I tried to transfer Neo a couple times, and it just, I did a wrong thing, and it was like, yeah, we can't send your shit for you. Right? I didn't lose it. Because the Neos, I didn't know at the time. I guess I didn't know you're not allowed to send you have to send neos as like 1, 2, 3, 4. You're not allowed to send, 1.3, 2.7 neos or something like that, right? I didn't know that part. So it just kept telling me like, not allowed to do that, buddy. Not allowed to do that. It didn't send it and then be like, oh, yeah, you did it the wrong way, fucker. Look, so the event prompted many users to switch exchanges as Twitter users discussed the efficiency of other exchanges, including Binance and BitTrue. The situation appears to be a loss for Coinbase, as the chief executive officer, Brian Armstrong, and the exchange have not officially acknowledged the mishap. They're not even admitting it. That's why I don't... Look, this Coinbase shit right here. Look, I was a true fan. I've been a fan. I use it. Look. They're not even going to acknowledge the mishap. So, Ripple lovers, as much as I don't like your attitude, well, I don't like seeing people get ripped off. And so, my advice to you, I don't tell you what to do with your money, but I do give my advice around here. Just keep your shit off of Coinbase, man. Don't even fuck around. Don't even fuck around with that. That's not cool. That's not cool at all. All right, Ripple lovers. So there's a little bit of love from Shamari for once. I do love you guys, man. I just want you to make money. It's tough love I give you. That's tough love. That's tough love, fuck stick. That's all that is. That's all it is. But it's love. All right. You got to man up. You got to man up. That's how Shamari shows love sometimes for people who he thinks they're doing wrong or not doing the proper to make their money. Damn it. We're here to make bang. Look. All right, Ripple lovers. So I gave you a warning. There you go. Bang. All right, let's get on to some happy fucking news today. All right. Man, I hate all that. All these exchanges, man. They're all sneaky. I told you, man, in the Forex world how it was for us. Fuck. I'm used to this, but shit. It sucks. Anyways, though. All right. Let's get out of the angry news, the bad news. Let's get into some good news. Now, if you're new around these parts, let me tell you a little something. This company, Fidelity, it's called Fidelity Investments. They own 5.6. They have 5.6 trillion. Yes, with a T. With a T. Oh, you mean billion? Nah, dog. I mean trillion. Dollars under management. Of assets under management. Okay? And they opened their custody service today. So, I know there's a lot of new people here. You don't know. You guys know I'm a Forex trader. I'm a market guy. And so go to forexfactory.com, type in my name, SHOMARI, bang, you can see some of my old trades and stuff like that. You're talking to a market man. My money makes me money. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. And so anyways, I'm going to teach you a little bit about custody service. I used to preach about it here last year a lot. And I know the brothers are going to be like, fuck, here we go. But look, brothers, got to teach the new people, all right? I'm going to be quick, though. So custody is like this. If I'm a hedge fund, right? And I have 5 people's money, right? $1 billion from each. So I'm a $5 billion hedge fund. Yeah. I'm not allowed to keep that money. It just doesn't go into my bank account for my hedge fund. It doesn't work like that. A hedge fund, it keeps their client's money in custody services. Licensed, regulated, SEC approved custody services, okay? And that's where your money is really being held. When you have a broker, the broker it's not in their bank account. It's in a custody account. But what happens is they have, what's that shit called? Power of attorney. A power of attorney. And power of attorney means I'm allowed to take someone else's money and I'm allowed to use it to do stuff, to invest for them on their behalf. But that person, those hedge fund guys, they don't actually get to have your money. You know what I mean? Like, if you give them $1 billion, I mean, obviously, they're not allowed to just put it in their bank account and run away with it. Go buy an island somewhere. No, it's kept in custody for you. So, for instance, even in some of you guys might be stock guys, right? Stock trader guys. Yeah, your E-Trade account. Yeah. Your money is not on E-Trade. Your money is not even in TD Bank. Well, it might be TD Bank Custody Service, which is a whole other entity. That's where your money really resides, in that entity. And then when you're doing trades, all right, the computers, have given E-Trade's computers the ability to manipulate the money that you have in custody. That's really what's happening. Your money's not in TD Bank. It's in a custody service. All right. So what makes that so important is Fidelity is one of the biggest asset managers on Earth. Planet Earth. You know what I'm talking about? Not in America, not in Europe. Earth. This planet we're in, we're all hurtling through space. Yeah, they're like one of the biggest on Earth. And so when they say they're bringing out custody, what does that tell you? Well, they know that, bang, there's obviously some major institutional demand for such services. Well, such services are only demanded when people want to use those assets, right? Want to make money out of them. And this Fidelity's not coming here now for little bullshit. Like, they're like, oh, you know, their customers are demanding it. They know that there's big money in here. You know, Fidelity is here for the big money. They're not here for little chump change. So when you hear Fidelity offering custody services in Bitcoin for now, but they will do custody for everything. Believe me, there will be everything custodied. Bang, bang, bang. And that's why I tell you, get those large caps, boys. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, all commodities, all ready to go. I'm not going to lie to you. Fidelity did say that they're a little iffy about listing, about custodying Ethereum right now because of the hard forks. Yeah, they said that today. That's a different article, but anyway, just get those large caps, boys, because believe me, Fidelity will figure it out, and they're going to get her done. And that's going to bring mad institutional money. Bang! Institutional money. You know what I mean? Institutions use Fidelity, you know, to custody their regular stuff, their stocks and their bonds and shit. That's how huge Fidelity is. It's like JP Morgan, right? Yeah, other big banks use JP Morgan as their bank, right? Like Bank of America, you know, banks with JP Morgan. Wells Fargo banks with JP Morgan. That's how big it is, right? Well, that's like Fidelity. You know, other hedge funds and shit custody and do stuff through Fidelity. You know what I'm saying? All right. Well, let's read on, brothers. So, Fidelity Digital Assets. So, they're called Fidelity is called Fidelity, but Fidelity Digital Assets is their new crypto arm. They built this crypto arm, and it's called Fidelity Digital Assets. So, Fidelity Digital Assets, digital asset solution branch of the largest asset management firm, Fidelity Investments, announced that its Bitcoin custody service has gone live with a select group of eligible clients. Yeah, the big money boys first, and then they'll probably let others get in later. Well, not probably, they are going to, but earlier today on their official Twitter handle, the firm, aiming at providing custodial services for institutional investors, first made an announcement regarding the news in late January. Here they stated they have selected clients to whom they will be serving their initial solutions. The announcement on Twitter read, "We are live with a select group of eligible clients and will continue rolling out slowly. Our solutions are focused on," so these are the kind of people that we need, boys. Yes, brothers, this is what we need. Here's the kind of shit we need. Our solutions are focused on the needs of hedge funds, bang, family offices, bang. What'd I tell you, motherfuckers? What did I tell you? What is that? What does that say? Pensions. I told you. Pensions, 401ks, all that's coming. The fact that he mentions it, what does that tell you? Yeah, pension funds are talking to these Fidelity guys already. I guarantee you 401k guys are already talking to Fidelity already. Yo, can I custody my shit in your thing? In your, what is it called again? Hold on, I'm getting excited. What's this thing called again? Fidelity, what? Digital assets? In your Fidelity digital assets? They're already making inquiries. Pension fund. I told you. That's your mass adoption, Bitcoin lovers. Wow, maximalists or whatever the fuck you want to be called. Mass adopting guys. Pensions. Bang! Endowments and other institutional investors. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. That's what he says he's been hearing. Well, not he. Fidelity. It's a monster corporation. It's not a he. It's an it. This creature. Anyway, the solution provider had stated that they have built a strong technical and operations standards best suitable for institutions, but meeting clients' expectations from an investment giant. They are a giant in their initial announcement. They had also stated that their initial clients are an important part of the final testing and process refinement periods. So, obviously, they're using these guys as a test, and these guys have agreed, okay, you can test with us. This, in turn, would help Fidelity provide services to a broader set of eligible institutions. Exactly. Once the testing process is over and the process refinement period is over, bang, they will have a broad set of eligible what? Institutions. Bang! Look. The blog read, our mission is much broader than products. Institutional interest in digital assets is expanding, and these organizations require sophisticated capabilities in order to proceed. Exactly. We've talked about it already. We've talked about due diligence. We've talked about, insurance. You got to have insurance on your custodied stuff and blah, 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 blah. Fidelity knows all those things. This comes as a euphoric announcement to several members of the community as it marks as one of the first steps taken to open the cryptocurrency market, especially the Bitcoin market. For who? Bang! Yes. Fidelity, baby. Bang! Institutional investors on the way. Look. There is a tsunami. There's a tsunami of money coming, brothers. From who? Institutional investors. They want to bring it to you. They want to bring you their money. They're fighting and kicking and scratching each other to get here. Right? Applying for ETFs. Applying for futures. Getting turned down. Fucking reapplying. And reapplying. And reapplying. We're not going to stop until we can give these working guys our money. Hell, come and bring it to me, brothers. Winklevoss, get over here. Backed. Let's go. That's what's going down. And you see what happens when a big boys like this, like Fidelity come along, the institutional investors, it just makes more of them want to come bring you their money. Look, guys. Look. Look. They are kicking, scratching, and clawing. They will kill their mother to get here. Okay, so all you got to do is just chill. Hold on tight. Bang, because here it comes. Here comes the tsunami. There is a tsunami of money that's on the way. We already went into Noah earlier in the week. We're not going to do that one again. But look, get ready for it because here it comes. Here it comes. It went live today. This is live today. So this is mainly because of the custody solutions and trading venue platform provided by the financial giant. Yes. More so, some also believe that the changes bought by institutional players of Fidelity would shed some light in the regulatory stance on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I don't know about any of that. I don't know about that shit. So, yes, bang, there it is, man. Fidelity, rocking. It is now live. It is now real. And that's why I tell you guys, that's why the past few months I've been preaching, I don't know, since last November, December, get your large caps. Get your large caps. Because remember these things when they come out. Yeah, these are Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin custody, right? These are going to be Bitcoin pensions at first, right? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum are the three regulated ones here in America. Those are the three ones that these guys are allowed to do. There's going to be a tsunami of money that's sitting there waiting just for SEC to give the rules. And then bang, here they come. Let's get those large caps now while it's super cheap like this, right? Like I just told you, Litecoin just went up 100% since December. Bang, right? And that's nothing. We're not even here yet. They're not even here yet. Yes, brother. So, Fidelity, bang, amazing for us, amazing for the market. Yes, amazing for your portfolio. All right, brothers. So, finally, bang, look. So, we got another country coming on our list. We have another country coming on our list. So, let's look. Israel Regulatory Authority recommends regulated platform for cryptocurrency trading. So, exactly. So, they're going to regulate and bang. It's going to be implemented. So, it's not yet. So, they don't get added to the list of the champion of the cryptocurrency blockchain champion nations, but they are on the reserve team over here with the UK, India, Russia, and the Germans. The Germans? Yes. So, hold on, let me get a little sip here. So here comes Israel. As you can imagine, there's a lot of money there. Oh, and shalom to my Israeli brothers. Like I told you, I got a bunch of Orthodox Jewish buddies here. Yes. All right. So, Israel Regulatory Authority recommends regulated platform for cryptocurrency trading. Indeed. Let's check it out. The Israel Securities Authority, I guess that's their version of the SEC, Israel's chief security regulator, oh, obviously it is then, tasked with maintaining the transparency of the country's capital market, reignited the hopes of the country's virtual currency industry. According to Reuters, the regulator on March 6 recommended the creation of a marketplace that will allow individual users to trade in crypto and also allow companies to raise funds using digital tokens. The ICA was studying the crypto world for the past 2 years. Oh, dang, so it took them 2 years to come up with this shit. However, I told you this is the year of regulatory clarity, though. However, the body confirmed that its suggestion is merely a recommendation and not an actual implementable policy. All right, so I want you to get that right. In other words, this goes to the politicians, and then the politicians will vote on the parts of it they like or amend it or whatever, right? Despite the crypto market being bearish, regulatory bodies have responded to the growing need for structure. Exactly, regulatory clarity within the industry. Anat Guetta, the chair of the ISA, said, the excitement that defined the field in 2017 has cooled off, but the technology is here to stay. And then blah, blah, blah. That was just Warren Buffett. He says some bullshit and Jamie Dimon says bullshit. I don't really give a fuck about all them because we know Jamie Dimon was bullshitting since he came out with his own fucking crypto. What the fuck? So this attempt by the ISA to include cryptocurrencies within its offerings is a move to bring in more companies into the country. Tel Aviv, the country's finance and technology capital, saw a number of companies' trading volume and the money fall compared to a decade ago, and hence wants to bring in growing cryptocurrency crowds. Bringing in the cryptocurrency. So I'm going to tell you guys something in a second. Bringing in the cryptocurrency community will not only add yet another financial asset to the capital markets repertoire, but that's what I really want to bring up. Is that so? Fucking Israel, they have so many amazing tech companies. Like they have one tech company. Yeah, they built this thing. It can just unlock your iPhone and find everything in it. Yeah, dudes. Like they're deadly. They build all these super spy stuff and all this stuff, right? But more than that, I mean, they also do just regular stuff. But the purpose of this story, though, I'm getting out of control here. But the purpose of this is, yeah, so you see what they're doing is, okay, so you can buy stocks, you can buy bonds, you can buy whatever. Now they want to add cryptocurrency to Israel's, what they say right here, the repertoire of stuff that are offered in Israel. So, and it will increase the standards of the industry's technology. Guetta added that the influx of new technology will streamline and increase competition in the capital market. But the key will be to find the right balance and to protect the investors. Exactly, and that's what they're doing, right? Coming up with the rules we want, as they said, as she said right here, the technology is here to stay. That's right. But just like you're in America and all the countries, all you guys, all your countries, that's why we don't have regulation yet. Because, you got to protect the citizens, right? You can't have your citizens getting ripped off like fucking Coinbase. Oh, Ripple lovers, man. I feel fucked up for that shit. And I mean that. I'm not just saying that to fuck with you. I mean that. I don't like that shit at all. Even if I don't like you guys too much. That's a bunch of bullshit right there. Tel Aviv. Wait, did we already talk about that? Oh, yeah. So markets repertoire. But will increase the standards. Oh, exactly. And that's what this rule book will increase the standards, which is what we're doing here, right? We're waiting for regulated standards, so that, bang, our whales get here. Our institutional investors have confidence that they can arrive, right? Guetta added that the influx of new technology will streamline and increase competition in the capital market. And, the balance and protect the investor. Exactly. So that's what I was trying to show you guys. I fucked up there, actually. So they know that it's here to stay. So since it's here to stay, they say, fuck it. Then that means we have to, bang, protect our investors. Whoop. Where are you going? Where are you going? We have to protect our investors. And that's what every country is doing, right? That's what we're all waiting for. That's what all the institutional investors are waiting for. They're waiting for those protections. The regulations, the insurances, the custodies. It's not that you're going to automatically win, but at least you won't be cheated. And that's the difference. That's the thing. Being cheated is what sucks. So in addition to introducing the cryptocurrency platform, the ISA also recommends applying securities law to regulate virtual currencies and securities tokens. So it looks like they're trying to say that so remember we read, was it Malaysia, right? Malaysia said all crypto are commodities in their country by their regulators. It sounds like also recommended applying securities law. So it sounds like in Israel, well, it sounds like they're going to, regulate them as securities. So stocks. A security is a stock. Like a stock, okay? They're called securities, though, but a stock. However, Reuters reported that the law will be altered exactly to include a unique disclosure for companies that will issue tokens. All right, so they're going to come up with you're going to be a security, but if you're going to issue the token, they're going to come up with some special thing for that. And that's what we were talking about here. Remember last year we were talking about that. In that, who was it? Was it the CFTC? It was either a CFTC official or an SEC official who said maybe we might have to come up with a unique thing at first while they're ICOing, and then I think, what was it? And then once the mainnet goes online, change them over to securities or something, right? Stocks, right? Hey, you got to get creative, right? Maybe the old way of regulating things don't work for this crypto world. So the ISA did not confirm when a final decision will be taken, nor have they mentioned a timeline for the same. So we don't know when, but the fact is the rule book is out. Wow. For now. But like it says, they can change some rules up in here. They will alter some rules in the law, right? So you know how politicians are, but at least you give them the playbook, and all they have to do is tinker around in it. So the ISA did not confirm when a final... All right, we read that. Additionally, the report also mentioned other exchanges in London and Australia that are considering introducing such platforms. All right, whatever. All right, so bang, Israel. So they have... Their regulatory authority has given them the recommendation. So it would be the same as the SEC here. Bang, coming out with a nice rule book, handing it off to the politicians and saying, this is what we think. Now you guys legislate. Do your jobs, all right? So Israel, all right, let's put Israel on the list. It's not going to be in the list of champions. Hold on, can you guys see this? I watched this yesterday. You guys couldn't see it. Let's do it like this. Yes. So we got Malaysia, Thailand, Jamaica, Philippines, Indonesia, and Bahrain. Yes, that's the list of champions over here on this side. And then these ones over here, brothers, these are, oh, wow, it's weird to use this camera. This is who we're waiting for. The UK, India, Russia, and the Germans. And now we're going to put Israel here. It's either on this side that we're waiting for. So let's put Israel in there. Yes, Israel. Come on in, brothers. Come on in, Wales. Bang! Look, look. All right. Yes. Yes. All right, brothers. So that's how it goes on our list. So let's get you back to... whoa. Let's shout outs and airdrops this son of a bee. Bang! Look. Look. Oh, hold on. So, hold on. Let's... All right, we'll talk about it when we get there. So first of all, let's shout out. Poor man, XRP Rich. Bang, brother. See you. Stop being misled. Follow me. What does he say? NPXS. Pundi X Labs. XRP. Ripple. XRP Army. Oh, this is an XRP Army, dude. All right, brother. All right, brother. Bang. See you. Love you. Bang. All right. Byte Produce. EU. Services and automatic data processing and information tech. Bang. See you, brother. Yes. Here's Bob at 844-1320. Go get your airdrops. Well, learn about them. Read the top 3 tutorials, and then bang, because I have an airdrop for you tonight. Well, not me. Hurricane Monster brought it. So here it comes. Bang. Go learn. Go learn. The card buyers, honey, bad. Bang. See you, brother. Bradster. Bang. See you, brother. Indeed. Son of a bitch. Bang. 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 See you, brother. Yes. What? Oh, what's going on here? I can't see this person. Who's this? Anyway, well, who's that? Bang. See you, brother. Aylin, the 3, HESAP. Oh, it's a different language. All right, well, see you. Bang. Is that a girl? Girl, see you, girl. Bang. Yes, there's Crypto Bridgie. Bang, see you, girl. Why they put it up there like that? Something to crypto. Bang, see you, brother. Radster, bang. Oh, I already did Radster. But bang again. Fuck it. Twice. Get a double portion. Xena, bang. Part of Poppywood's crew. Yes, Tron lovers. All right, and so here's the airdrop tonight, all right? Where the fuck did that go? Bang, Shade token, all right? Go over here. Bang, get your Shade token. Go to Hurricane Master. Oh, so first of all, let me bang, Hurricane Master, see you. And then go get your Shade token. Bang, right there. And, yeah, well, go get that free coin, sons. Look. All right. That's how we do around these parts. We milk that cow. Any way we can get some coin, milk that cow. All right. Jaffo 13 nickel. Bang. See you, brother. What else we got here? Got some different names coming up now. Crypto Campy. I used to think I was indecisive, but now I'm not too sure. That's funny, buddy. That's funny, Crypto Campy. Bang, brother. That's a good one. But no, I'm not too sure. That's a good one. Oh, man, that's a good one. I love the internet. You guys are some funny people. Look, Bowie Lie. Bang, see you, brother. Yes, and there's that son of a bitch. And there's Poppy. All right, Poppywood. Bang, see you, brother. And thank you, Poppy, for helping me. Oh, what did he say? He said some shit to some Ripple lovers today. He said, so this is where it all started, Ripple lovers. It could go, I could go for it. Hold on, let me show you the tweet. He was fucking around. So I guess this is what the menu of McDonald's used to be back in the 70s. Well, not I guess, that's it. And so they used to have a triple Ripple ice cream cone. Triple Ripple. And so Poppywood said, all right, so you see the triple Ripple ice cream cone's 20 cents? Yes, Poppywood's getting in the Ripple lover fun. He said, I could go for a triple Ripple ice cream cone. The price of XRP will still be 20 cents in another 50 years. Then he tagged me to show. Bang, brother. Yes, brother. Yes, triple Ripples aren't too tasty. All right, that's everybody, guys. Let's get you back to your wife's lives. And Poppywood, I want to say thank you. I am going to get those antes this week. So what I'm going to do, all right, let's just go over here first to the wives and lives part. When we do this, you know, bang, yes. Let me get back here to wives and lives, yes. So, bang. And so to continue with this last part, though, yeah, I'm going to get some ante this week. A little bit, though. I'm not going to fuck around. I'd rather just own Trons. I know, but the anti-Shamari, come on, you're going to make all this money, the dividends and all this. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to do that. But, you know, I'd just rather buy the Trons, the thing that controls the whole Tronverse, right? Anti seems to me like one coin in the Tronverse and one coin that works on in the gambling thing about the Tronverse, right? Well, why don't I just buy TRX and just own the whole verse, the whole Tronverse? You know what I mean? I'm going to get them. You guys have convinced me. Bang, bang. This week, I don't know how much yet I'm going to buy, but I'll probably throw 500 a G on it and just see what happens. But I just want the Trons, motherfucker. Like, that's what these guys bang. Like, when they get here, they're not going to be buying antes. They'll buy Trons, fucking motherfucker, though. So, we're going to do this for now. If I can, and then that's the other thing, too. I have to be able to transfer these antes back into Trons. So when these guys get here, I can get Trons. But I'm going to do the antes, so thank you, brothers. I appreciate it. So, guys, we had a great show today. Bang, bang. Look, XRP holders, XRP lovers, Ripple lovers. Look. Stay away from Coinbase for now. Stay away from Coinbase. Because Coinbase said, and I quote, that your coins are permanently lost. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit right there. Look, Ripple lovers, you just keep your shit on wherever you normally keep it. And just do that for now, right? Just do that for now. All right, bye. Oh, Fidelity brought its Bitcoin custody. Oh my gosh. Bang! Institutional investors are on the way, brothers. Here comes Fidelity Investments, and they're not playing games. Bang! They don't have to play games. When you have $5.2 trillion under management, look. look. That's all I'm going to say about that. And then bang, Israel. We have another country. Bang, they're on our watch list for coming over to the party. They didn't enter the cryptocurrency blockchain news list of champion nations yet, but soon. Yes, brother, soon. So, guys, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Let's chill it and kill it. Bang! Please subscribe below. Press the bell and you can get automatic notifications. You know what? I never do this. Look, guys, did you know? Hold on, look. I never do this part. At CB Newswire. That's the Twitter for this show you're watching. So if you want to come there, get the airdrops and all that, like go there, and there's airdrops. And also, I keep telling you guys, go to Bob at 844-11320. Yeah, he's got the airdrops and the tutorials and that. So you see at CB Newswire. Crypto Blockchain Newswire. Bang. That's the Twitter. That's the Twitter for this show, okay? And yeah, tweet me, whatever you want, man. I answer a shit. I like it when you guys send me like news articles and different things. So, guys, chill it and kill it. Bang. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic updates. And look. My name's Shamar Clark. This is the favorite time of my day. I love talking the money. I love talking all this good stuff. And you Ripple lovers, yes, be careful. I'm protecting you guys today. So, until tomorrow, brothers. Look. This is Shamar Clark. Bang. I'm always on duty. Over and out.